In the heart of Southeast Asia lies a land of hidden wonders, where ancient traditions meet breathtaking landscapes. This is Myanmar. But beyond its postcard vistas, Myanmar harbors secrets that can only be uncovered by those willing to look deeper, to listen closer, and to open their hearts to the unexpected. Here, in the vibrant markets of Yangon, where the air is thick with the scent of spices and the chatter of a dozen languages, we find Sarah, an American journalist on a mission to uncover Myanmar's hidden gems.
How am I supposed to find a unique story in all this chaos? It's just too much.
But in Myanmar, sometimes the story finds you.
Mingalabar, you look a bit lost. Can I help you navigate our little corner of paradise?
Oh, thanks. I'm trying to find, well, I'm not sure what I'm trying to find, to be honest. Something that hasn't been written about 1,000 times before.
In Myanmar, the true beauty lies not just in what you see, but in what you experience with an open heart. Every street corner holds a story, if you're willing to listen.
That's poetic, but I've got a job to do. I need to cover Myanmar's hidden gems in just 1 week for my magazine. 1 week to find something new in a country that's been around for thousands of years.
Excuse me for a moment, this is important.
In this simple act of kindness, we glimpse the true spirit of Myanmar, a warmth and generosity that often goes unnoticed by the casual observer. It's in these moments that the country's real treasures begin to reveal themselves.
And maybe there's more to this place than I thought. And maybe a week isn't nearly enough time.
And so begins Sarah's journey into the heart of Myanmar, a journey that will challenge her preconceptions, test her limits, and open her eyes to the country's hidden treasures. But as she's about to discover, uncovering the real Myanmar may come at a price.
Yes, editor? But I've barely started. 5 days, that's impossible.
Is everything all right?
My editor wants a unique angle in 5 days or I lose my job. But how can I possibly...
5 days. Challenge accepted. I propose an off-the-beaten-path tour that will show you the real Myanmar.
I don't think this was in my guidebook.
The best experiences rarely are.
Look, what kind of bird is that?
That's a Burmese peacock pheasant. They're incredibly rare. You're very lucky to see one.
We welcome you to our humble village. May this tea bring you peace and clarity.
This is incredible. I've never tasted anything like it. I became a journalist to tell important stories, to make a difference. But lately, it's all been about clicks and sensationalism.
I understand. I became a guide because I wanted to show the world the real Myanmar. Not just the postcard version, but our struggles and our triumphs.
Myanmar, a land of hidden wonders and ancient mysteries where every step reveals a new story waiting to be told. As dawn breaks over the ancient land of Myanmar, Sarah and Ong embark on a journey to uncover its hidden treasures.
It's like stepping into another world.
These caves have been sacred to our people for centuries. Each statue tells a story of devotion and perseverance.
The temples of Merauke rise from the morning mist like apparitions from a forgotten era.
I've never seen anything like this. It's magical.
And to think most visitors to Myanmar never make it here.
I thought I was here to observe, not participate.
In Myanmar, observation and participation often become one and the same.
Here on the shimmering waters of Inla Lake, we witness a tradition that has endured for generations. A testament to the enduring spirit of the Burmese people.
I think I'm beginning to understand what you meant about experiencing Myanmar with an open heart.
We're almost there. Trust me, it's worth the journey.
I hope so. I've got more mosquito bites than I can count.
Hidden deep in the Shan Mountains, this pristine waterfall has remained untouched by time and tourism.
Oh my god. This is incredible.
This is the Myanmar I wanted to show you. Beautiful, unspoiled, full of surprises.
Thank you for showing me all this. I think I was wrong about a lot of things.
The journey's not over yet. Myanmar still has many secrets to share.
But as our travelers bask in the beauty of their discovery, they remain unaware of the challenges that lie ahead. For in Myanmar, as in life, every journey of discovery comes with its own set of trials.
This area is restricted. Turn back now.
What's going on? Why can't we go through?
Some areas are sensitive. It's complicated.
Yes, editor?
Sarah, I need something controversial. This feel-good travel piece isn't going to cut it.
But that's not the real story here. There's so much more to Myanmar than...
Get me something that'll grab headlines, or you're done.
Are you sure this is the right way? Where are you?
Sarah, stay where you are. I'll find you.
What am I doing here? What was I thinking?
Perhaps I was wrong to bring her here, to open our world to outsiders.
In the darkness of the Myanmar night, two souls search not just for each other, but for understanding in a land of both beauty and complexity.
I thought I'd lost you, and myself out there.
Sarah, thank goodness you're safe. I was so worried. I'm sorry if I pushed you too far into the unknown.
No, I'm the one who should apologize. I came here looking for a story, but I nearly missed the real Myanmar in the process. Let's finish this journey together, Show me the real Myanmar, both its beauty and its challenges. I'm ready to see it all with open eyes.
I'd be honored. But remember, sometimes the most precious gems are the hardest to find, hidden in the most unexpected places.
Each thread tells a story of our people, our history. The patterns are a language all their own.
It's not just a craft, it's a living history book, each color and pattern a verse in Myanmar's epic tale.
This pagoda has stood for centuries, weathering storms both literal and figurative. By helping restore it, we connect with our ancestors and preserve our heritage for future generations.
Where do I start? I want to be part of this story too.
We dream of a Myanmar where our children can thrive while honoring our traditions. It's a tightrope walk, but one we must master.
It's a delicate balance, isn't it? Preserving the past while embracing the future. I'm beginning to see that this is the real story of Myanmar. I came to Myanmar looking for hidden gems, but what I found was so much more. A land of contradictions and harmony, of challenges and unbreakable spirit. Myanmar's true hidden gems are not just its landscapes, but its people and their stories. Thank you for showing me that.
This is Myanmar, complex, beautiful, and ever-changing. A land where every stone, every smile, and every story is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. And like the most precious of gems, its true value lies not in its appearance, but in the depths of understanding it reveals to those who seek with open hearts and minds. Myanmar's Hidden Gems, Off the Beaten Path, the end.